Today I'm going to show you how you can curl your hair using 3 different tools. So whatever you have at home, that's what you can use while you curl your hair. The results are going to be slightly different, but it just depends on your preference. So the first one is a hair curler that has this little thing inside. This is from a brand called Hot Tools. The second one is a wand. This is a brand called PYT, and this wand doesn't have anything. It's just like this is hot. It's already like getting hot. And the third one is a flat iron. So I'm gonna show you how these 3 different tools create a different curl. Yes, I'm gonna have 3 different types of curls on my hair, but that's fine because I'm doing it for you. Okay, so you need to divide your hair. So usually when I'm doing my hair and I'm in a rush, I just like let it be and then I curl whatever I feel like I need to curl, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it the proper way. You need a hairbrush. Brush your hair. And then you need to divide. So you need to figure out where you want to part your hair. I usually like to part it here or sometimes in the middle. And based on that, you're going to be creating your curls. I have this little comb. And I'll start here just so I can show you. So everybody has a different way of how they curl their hair. I mean, not everybody, but it's just like a preference. So I'll show you my way. What should we do first? Let's do the wand first. This is 19 millimeters, so it's a little thinner than what I would usually use. But I wanted to get this one just so I can like try a little curl. And this is really easy to use. So first you need to figure out what way you want your hair to go. So I usually like a blown out look. So this my hair on this side is gonna go this way and this side is gonna go that way. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's take a tiny piece like this, and you put your wand like this, and you literally just do this. And I leave it on for 5 seconds, and then I release. This is like a nice, okay, I didn't do this one properly. So when you're curling with a wand, I actually really like wands. You're gonna get nice like very girly curls. So as I said, this one is a little thinner and the curls are gonna be a little smaller. So the thinner your wand, the smaller your curls are. And you can always brush them while the hair is still warm. And that way, it's not gonna be as curly as it is originally. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention before I started doing anything, I sprayed my hair with OUAI Memory Mist. Okay, so let me just read this. Before you use your style, this multi-blow-up adds heat protection, shine, and long-lasting memory to any look. So it's like whatever you're doing after you apply this, it's gonna stay on your hair for a longer time. I'll do another one just so you can have an idea. You can put it as high as you'd like your curl to start. And just, I'll wrap it around. That's the term I was looking for. Wrap it around your wand. Usually there is there's like a glove you can use this with, but I don't feel my hair then and I just don't like using it. There is a possibility of hurting yourself, but so you see how these are like really defined curls and they're a little smaller. So we're gonna brush these through, and the cool thing about this is that if you want them, you know, like those old school Hollywood vibes, and you can just, you know, leave it like this. You can like tease it. You can do a couple different, obviously after your curls are done, you can decide however you want to style it. So you should use this one for this, but yeah, this way you're gonna add more volume. Okay, let's put this back. On this side, I'm gonna use the other hair curler. For the first one, this particular one I didn't really like because, I mean, I like it, but I don't like the fact that you cannot change your temperature. On this one, you can select on what degree you want this, like how hot you want the tool to be. I saw a lot of people do this in a different way, but I'm going to show you how I like to do it. So since as I said, I like my hair going this way. So, okay, let's get a piece. Put this down. I open this thingy, put it all the way here, and I leave this last part standing, and then I just curl it close to my face like this. You see this piece is still out because I like it more like casual, but if I would like it to be more defined, you can just relax it again and let it enter. I have to learn the terminology of these things. Enter this thing. This thing. And so yeah, I leave it on again for 5 seconds. And this is what this curl looks like. This is like, yeah, more relaxed and more like romantic, while this is, you know, more defined and smaller. Okay, let me get another piece. Okay, let's do it all the way at the end. And just curl it up. And you see, again, like a nice, relaxed curl. I always brush my curls as I'm curling my hair because I like a more like relaxed casual curl versus, you know, a really curly curl. Let's jump into the straightener. So if you don't have a curling iron, it's fine. You can also use a straightener. I'll just do this very first, this front piece, so you can see it better. Wow, I didn't turn this on. Okay, so I didn't turn this on when I was supposed to, so while I'm gonna be waiting for this to turn on, I'm just gonna say a couple of things about hair in general. I feel like hair is like the most important thing on your look, because somebody once told me it's the only outfit you're gonna be wearing every day. So your hair needs to be healthy, you need to, you know, the color needs to look nice. If you want hair that's low maintenance, I suggest, if you want to color it, I would suggest getting like a balayage. Ombre is not really in anymore, thank God. So when it comes to hair color, I used to be super blonde, like super blonde. I used to be a hair model for like 10 years, and with this brand called Koko. It's a Dutch brand. I think in the US you pronounce it Koen or something, but I say Koko. So I learned a lot about hair and styling and color. Basically, I just learned a lot with that team, and love you guys. You're always gonna have a special place in my heart. But yeah, they showed me a lot of different techniques. And I was platinum blonde. I had every shade of blonde you could possibly imagine. And I just decided that now, as I'm getting older, I'm kind of liking that my hair, I like that my hair is a little darker. So I have a balayage. This is, you know, this is just like, this is my natural color, and then I have highlights throughout. So when you have a balayage, you can just, you know, when your hair starts growing, it's not going to be as noticeable as it would be if your hair is completely blonde or whatever different color it is. Let's see if my straightener is hot enough. Okay, I think it is. I use the straightener when I like really relaxed curl, like a more like a beachy wave. So start from the top, keep it here for a couple seconds, and then just do the same thing. If I didn't do this properly, I just do this again. have a hair straightener, what I like is to go all the way at the top and just do this. I feel like that creates more volume. Okay, so you see all three different styles of curls. So this is, I'm gonna call this a super curl. This one, oh, there he is. Come on, baby. I just feel like you want to be a YouTuber.
Who?
You.
What?
I feel like you just always like to jump into my videos. Don't you?
I don't. Go for it. I don't know what it is.
You're not bothering me. Coming back. Mostly I'm using this hair curler because it's just very easy to use and I like the look of these waves. So there's that. And then the straightener I use when I want this like kind of like a hippie, you know, kind of cool look, whatever. So since I'm going out tonight, I'm going to curl a couple more pieces of my hair so it doesn't look totally crazy. Okay, but I'm just gonna continue curling with this one because that one is the fastest and my boyfriend is already waiting for me. I think just hair is like really important and you need to cut it every 3 months. I cut it every 3 months and it's kind of hard to find somebody who's gonna cut your hair properly. So, you know, when I found my people, especially after I moved to New York, when I found, you know, people who understand what I want, and when I leave the salon, I'm not in tears. That's nice because when I don't want this to sound like braggy, but I'm used to having my hair done by professionals for 10 years, and then when I'm in the wrong hands, I get really sad. And once you get a hold of curling your hair, it's actually gonna be, you know, we're gonna be done in 10-15 minutes. And I just feel like when your hair looks nice, everything else, you know, you can wear all black and have nice hair, and you're just gonna put like so well put together. You see that it's a different look when I just have hair sitting like this and when I have it curled. So yeah, when you're leaving me in the comments what kind of videos you want to see, I'm happy to, you know, do whatever you guys want to see. And I get questions about my hair all the time, and it's not that I don't really have any special like regimes, or I don't do much for my hair. I really like OUAI from Jen Atkin, and I also have this volume. I have this thing that I lose caps for like everything. All of my products, they're missing caps. That's the same way the OUAI is missing a cap. So I have this volumizing hairspray, which I really like, and she just has a lot of cool products. And I usually prefer using products that are made, so if it's a hair product, if I know it's made by a hairstylist, I kind of trust it more than, you know, when it's made by these gigantic beauty conglomerates. Baby, when do we need to leave?
We should leave now.
Okay, I'm just finishing my hair now and then...
You're doing yours. You took a shower?
Yeah. I took a shower, did my makeup.
This is what you're wearing, right?
I don't know. Let's see.
Video done?
No. You're in my video again! Baby,
Yeah.
you want to show your face again or no?
Okay.
Baby, nobody can see you from. Come. I'm gonna crop you out this time. I promise.
I don't believe it.
You're a baby. Baby!
I don't want people to have
Baby!
follow me as
Baby,
I don't
come!
want to have my fans contradict with your fans.
Baby, we should share our fans.
No.
Just come, wave! Booby, please! Yes! There he is again! Hello! Hello!
Hello.
You're too tall for this angle. Like, I can honestly not even see half of you. Okay, so I feel like I'm kind of done with this. You see, this was really quick. And it's kind of nice. Okay. Bye now. Ah, my back hurts. When is this gonna stop? I don't know. Okay, whatever.